Welcome, in front of me is Dell XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. First, right-click on your desktop, select Personalize, select Background, and right now choose one of the 4 options for your background. The first one is Picture, and a picture wallpaper lets you select one of the recent pictures or browse for any image in your File Explorer when you press Browse Photos. You can also select a feed for the picture that you choose. A solid color lets you choose a color to make it your wallpaper. You can choose one of the default colors or create a custom one here. The slideshow option lets you select a picture album from a File Explorer from which you want to use pictures that will be your temporary wallpapers. You can change the frequency of the picture change right here. You can shuffle the picture order by switching this toggle, and you can let slideshow run when your laptop is running on battery power by switching this toggle. And you can of course choose a feed for each picture in the slideshow. And the last option is Windows Spotlight, and this will put a random image made by Microsoft and change it once in a while. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.